Welcome back to Doomsday-Prepper. Today, we're talking about something that every prepper needs. Whether you're on the road or stuck in a survival situation, the ultimate vehicle emergency kit. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on essential prepping tips and survival strategies. Now let's dive into building the ultimate vehicle emergency kit that could save your life in an emergency. Number 1 on our list is a first aid kit. This is non-negotiable for any vehicle emergency kit. Make sure it includes essential items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, and any personal medications you or your family may need. Also, throw in a basic first aid manual so you know exactly what to do in a medical emergency. Coming in at number 2 is a roadside emergency kit. This includes jumper cables, flares or reflective triangles, a tire pressure gauge, and a jack and tire iron. Flat tires, dead batteries, and breakdowns are common on the road, so these tools are essential for staying safe and getting back on the move. Number 3 on our list is a multi-tool. A good quality multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. From cutting seatbelts to tightening bolts, it's one of the most versatile items you can carry. Choose one with pliers, a knife, screwdrivers, and wire cutters to cover the basics. At number 4, we have emergency water and food. You never know how long you could be stranded, so stock up on bottled water and non-perishable snacks like energy bars, nuts, or MREs, meals ready to eat. Dehydration and hunger can quickly sap your energy and focus, so it's important to stay fueled. Coming in at number 5 is a thermal blanket or sleeping bag. If you're stuck in your car overnight or in cold conditions, staying warm is crucial. Emergency thermal blankets or compact sleeping bags are lightweight and easy to store, but can make all the difference in freezing temperatures. Number 6 on the list is a portable phone charger or power bank. In an emergency, you'll want to stay connected, whether it's calling for help or checking a map. Keep a fully charged power bank or solar charger in your kit, so your phone doesn't die when you need it the most. At number 7, we have basic repair items like duct tape, zip ties, and a tire repair kit. These items may seem simple, but they're incredibly useful for quick fixes. Whether it's patching a leak, securing a broken mirror, or temporarily fixing a tire. These tools can be a lifesaver until you can get to proper help. Number 8 on our list is a flashlight with extra batteries. If you're stuck at night or need to inspect your vehicle in the dark, a good flashlight is essential. Choose one that's bright and durable, and don't forget to pack extra batteries. Consider adding a headlamp for hands-free lighting. Coming in at number 9 is an emergency radio. Staying informed is key in a survival situation. A hand crank or solar-powered emergency radio can keep you updated on weather conditions, road closures, or disaster alerts, especially if cell towers go down. Finally, number 10 is personal safety items like a seatbelt cutter and window breaker. In a serious accident or emergency, getting out of your vehicle quickly can be the difference between life and death. These tools are small but extremely effective at helping you escape a dangerous situation. And there you have it, the ultimate vehicle emergency kit. These items could save your life if disaster strikes while you're on the road. What's in your vehicle kit? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more prepping tips and survival strategies. Thanks for watching, and stay prepared.